Do you have a PDF that keeps asking you for a password every single time you open it? Super annoying, right? Well, good news. If you own that file and you know the password, you can remove it for good. And you don't need any paid software. Just Google Chrome. Let me show you how. All right, so here's our password protected PDF. Now, instead of double clicking it to open normally, what we're gonna do is right click on it, select Open With, and then choose Google Chrome. Chrome has a built-in PDF reader, so it'll open the file right inside the browser. And right away, Chrome is asking for the password. Go ahead and type it in. And just like that, the PDF is open. Now here's where the magic happens. Now we're going to use Chrome's print feature, but we're not actually printing anything. We're going to use it to save a brand new copy of this PDF without the password. Click the print icon in the top right corner of Chrome, or you can also just press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. That's the faster way. In this print dialog, look at the left side. You'll see a section called Destination. It probably says something like your printer name or Microsoft Print to PDF. We need to change that. Click it and then look for Save as PDF under the Local Destination section. Click on that. Now just click the blue Save button. A Save dialog will pop up. Choose where you want to save it. I'll put mine on the downloads and give it a name if you want, then hit Save. Okay, now let's test it. Double click that new file to open it and look at that. No password prompt, no lock. It just opens. You now have a clean, unlocked copy of your PDF. That's it. No extra software, no paid tools, just Chrome doing the work for you. Just remember, this only works if you already know the password. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips like this. I'll see you in the next one.